Do you ever feel like everyone else is ahead of you, getting better jobs, buying houses, living a life you wish you had? This story will show you why comparing yourself to others is the fastest way to kill your happiness. In a small American town lived Ethan, a young man who worked hard but always felt behind. He scrolled through social media every night, watching his friends get promotions. Each time he whispered, "Why not me? When will my time come?" One weekend, overwhelmed, Ethan decided to take a walk. He wandered outside town until he found an iron gate with a sign that read, "The Garden of Time." Curious, he stepped inside. What he saw was breathtaking, an endless field of flowers. But something was strange. Some flowers had already bloomed, wide and colorful. Some were still small buds, tightly closed. Others had not yet broken through the soil. Ethan stood there, confused. Why do some bloom early while others wait? An old gardener appeared and smiled at him. He said, "Every flower has its season. If a bud tried to bloom before its time, it would wither. The rose doesn't envy the sunflower, and the sunflower doesn't envy the lily. They bloom when they are meant to, and so do you." For the first time, Ethan realized that his life wasn't behind. It was simply unfolding in its own season. He left the garden lighter, no longer bitter or jealous. Instead, he whispered to himself, "My time will come. I just need to keep growing." Vocabulary. 1. Envy, meaning jealousy. Example, he felt envy when his friend bought a new car. Bloom, meaning to grow, to open. Example, the flowers bloom in spring. Wither, meaning to dry, fade. Example, the plant began to wither without water. Life lessons. Every life has its own season. Don't rush it. Comparing yourself only steals your joy. Focus on your growth, and your time will come. True happiness begins when you stop measuring your life against others. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful life lessons.